To join multiple objects into a single object in Blender, you can select both the objects or multiple objects and then press Ctrl plus J. You can see before I have two objects, one is cube and the other one is sphere. After I press Ctrl plus J, they merge into one under the cube object. You have to remember that whatever modifier is applied to the object is selected at last will be carried over in both the objects. In this case, the square has no modifiers. So if I select the square at last and then press Ctrl J, the modifier that I had in this sphere will be disappearing. I guess if this cube doesn't have any modifier, but I select another object like a sphere that has a modifier, and then press Ctrl J. The modifier here will be used for both the objects.